This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a 2009 Hyundai Sonata headlight bulb. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, disconnect the negative battery terminal, and open the hood immediately. Remove the plastic access cover behind the headlight and locate the bulb socket. Twist the socket counterclockwise and pull straight out to release the bulb. Inspect the socket and wiring for corrosion or damage before inserting the new bulb. Begin by locating the bulb socket behind the headlight assembly and twisting it counterclockwise to release it. Pull the old bulb straight out while supporting the socket to avoid stressing the wiring. Inspect the socket and connector for corrosion or melted plastic, and clean contacts if necessary. Compare the old bulb to the new one to ensure the same base and wattage. Keep the work area organized so parts do not fall into the engine bay. With gloves on, align the bulb tabs and insert the new bulb into the socket, making sure it seats fully. Twist the socket clockwise to lock it and reattach the plastic access cover securely. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and test the headlight to confirm proper operation and beam pattern. If the beam looks misaligned, make small aim adjustments according to the service manual or by using a wall test at a short distance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.